CUSIMAX products. If it's a grill, you can do just about anything. Indoors, outdoors, on a nice day with the AC plugged in correctly, you can grill for a nice party. But if you're looking to do different things like make eggs, sausages, pancakes, crepes, chicken, fish, poultry, whatever, you can do this with this. You have like 8 trays, you have a stone heater, and a grill on the other side. So let's open this up, show you what you get inside the box. It's nicely packed, everything's all packaged up. You have a little, spatulas, skewers. Turn it upside down gently to get it all out. Let's unwrap it and show you what it's all about. Wow, that was a lot of unwrapping. So I got these little trays, they're single servings. They're made of a plastic handle so you won't burn your fingers. Now, wash everything by hands. If you take this off, it's not going to come off that easy. As you can see, it's on there nice and tight. And they fit right in here underneath. There are 8 slots for them. So you can do your cooking, your little hors d'oeuvres, appetizers, and so forth. You got the 8 little scoopers, and they go in there as well. And then you have here is make your pancakes, your crepes, put it on your hot dogs, hamburgers, steaks, pork chops, meat, whatnot. And if you want to cook on a stone, oh boy, this is heavy. Be careful. And it's got little grease spots here so it can come off. And it's got 2 little spots over here as well. And it fits right on there like so. You get an instruction guide. Everything looks like it's supposed to from the picture. And we're going to read it, prepare ourselves, and get ready to cook. The very first thing we need to do, we take the grill plate, and we're not going to be doing dishwasher, we're going to hand wash. So you come here and you rinse everything off by hand. Even the stone plate, both sides, and the small plates. Even the wooden scoopers. And of course, when we're all done with our unit, you're going to take each of the unit with the sponge, a soft sponge, and you're going to wipe clean, even the grill, and you're going to wipe this clean as well with the sponge, and nothing is going into a dishwasher. And then we're ready for use the next time. So you're always going to wash after you finish using your product. I like making eggs in the morning, afternoon, or evening, so I am going to plug this into an outlet. And I'm going to turn my unit on. This is in the off position. There's a minimum and a maximum. So we want to make sure everything is out of our way. Don't want to touch anything. I left the thing off so you can see it heat up. It takes about 8 minutes time. There's the light heating up. Going to make an egg. For the first time you may smell the unit heat. Actually what I'm going to do is rather make the egg this way, I'm going to make it sunny side. I'm going to put it in the pan here. Now I'm going to put it on the first one so you can see it cook. In the meantime, the unit doesn't get hot on the side, so you're able to turn it. And what we're going to do is cook on here an egg. As the egg is cooking, we're going to bring this underneath. These are no stick pans, so you can take the little, as you can see, it's going to lift up. It's slowly cooking. And underneath it's taking its real sweet time because that's the way it is. As you can see, it's slowly cooking. This is just one of the things you can do. Make breakfast, lunch or dinner, eggs. You can cook it real slow underneath like appetizers, is to keep things warm on a slower level. On the top you griddle a lot faster with the frying pan. Make crepes, pancakes, steak, whatnot. And a lot you can do with the small pan. Great for parties and all. If you want to cook on the stone, please use some hand mittens. Take the hand mittens first because this is hot. And you're going to take the stone and then place it on like so. Get things out of your way if it's in your way. And there are little lips over here. So it grabs, you can grab the side of the unit and things will lock into place. And you can cook on the actual stone there. So I'm going to get a real little spatula. Going to take my egg and transfer it to the stone and cook it a lot slower. Now this cleans up real easy, as you can see. If I wanted to cook this on top, it's taking its time, I would put it on the plate like so and cook it that way for me. I cook differently than other people, and that's a lot this unit can do. Shish kebabs, tomatoes, carrots, potatoes, vegetables, whatnot. I'm going to transfer my egg over to the little pan. I'm going to put it down to keep it warm, so when people are ready to have some appetizers, why not? They're there right for you. The handle doesn't get hot. The egg starts to cook slow. And there you go. Single serving, small. Look at that thing, just comes right out. Very simple indeed. So what we're going to do right now is going to shut this unit off. Push it back out of my way. I'm going to take the plate. Got a nice egg for a serving. Make the next one. Look at that bad boy, real small indeed. And let's take the other one right here, warm as can be. Slide it out of the area that I put it in. It doesn't stick. A nice sunny side waiting for you. So this is just one of the things you can do right now. Have some breakfast. Leave to the side, let it cool down. Take these plates, put it in the water, clean it up. Ready for another time use. If you're a small person, 1, 2, 3 people, it's a great unit. Cook your steaks, pork chops, hamburgers, hot dogs, sausages, whatnot. Grab a sweet potato, grab a potato, chop them up, dice them up, put some peppers, onions, and whatnot, and make yourself some hash browns. This is the CUSIMAX 8-person Raclette grill, the CMRG 300 series. Check online for further details on other products and models that they have for your party needs. You want to make something quick, easy? You want something sophisticated and all for your guests? This is the product that may be right for you.